of Shadow's scary story. Jennifer stayed behind after swim practice, insisting on one last lap. The pool was empty, the water glowing under the harsh lights, but the silence felt heavy, unnatural. She dived in, slicing through the still water until she noticed something strange, dark shapes moving beneath the surface. She stopped, heart pounding, staring at the pool floor. A pale, twisted hand pressed against the tiles, reaching for her. Panic surged. Jennifer kicked, trying to swim to the edge, but the ladder was gone. The water rippled violently, whispering her name, pulling her deeper. Cold fingers wrapped around her ankles, dragging her under. By morning, the pool was calm, sparkling in the sun. Jennifer was gone. Lifeguards found no trace, yet some nights, swimmers swear they hear splashes, and a faint, desperate voice calling for one last lap.